E screw. One screw is missing. 110 rupees 95 paise da fuel. Come on Yatish, your saddlebag should scrape the tarmac. (7:10) in the morning. This is day 2 of our ride to Leh. And yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you guys are all safe. Yatish is already headed down to the parking lot. He's loading up the bike, so we got to do that. Let's go. Let's get the bike loaded. Still haven't had breakfast. We'll find breakfast on the way. So this is the parking area, and Yatish is already saddled up. He's gone up by the stairs and I came down by the lift. My hands were tied up with both the bags here, so didn't do much of vlogging. He's here. I just told you guys, he ran up the stairs and he's come. Okay. Thank you for bringing them down. Didn't forget anything now. Okay, so let's ride. Looks very I think this hotel is always in party mood zone, no? All blue and pink lights on the roof always everywhere. The passage. The good thing is it was on the first floor. Yeah, staircase is the side. Just walk. Nice place. Last time I had really bad experience in Enfield, but this time it just blew me off. I didn't expect to find such a decent place here in this town. It's called Sharan's Inn or Saran's Inn. If you're staying in Enfield, you can come here. It's called Sharan's Inn or Saran's Inn, right?
I'm not sure.
Even I'm not sure. We just wanted to check it, that's it. Let's get to motovlogging setup. It's called Sharan's Inn. I see a board which is thrown away there. Sagar, here we come. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much. Let's see how the day goes. We came out from the back of the building. The parking is backside. This is the place, Sharan's Inn. It's right by the highway itself. You just have to come about 100 meters into the street. See, we're onto the highway and we take a U-turn towards Nagpur. Oh, I forgot to connect the intercom. Hello? Yes. Hello? ನಾನು ನೋಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಬೈ ಬರೋಣ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಐ ಡಿಂಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಬಿಸಿ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟೇಡ್ ಇನ್ and we won't have any city traffic since we'll take the bypass road. We won't be entering Nagpur city, so it's going to be a smooth ride and a long one. Hey, I'm on 95. Now I'm on 90. Yeah, yesterday I got pretty good mileage. I did 330 kilometers in 10.3 liters. So Srinagar is 2601, Delhi is 1459, Adilabad is 254, Nagpur is 447. We are on National Highway 7. Bad weather conditions. We've stopped by this truck lay-by on the highway and decided to get into a rain gear. It looks very bad up ahead. Why take a chance? I need to open up a few bags now, pack a bag into the saddle bag. It's a lot of work. Let's do it. This is going to be a routine until we reach Chandigarh, I guess. Yeah, we saw weather conditions in Chandigarh where it was quite warm, but in central India it's raining. just like sugar syrup. The roads were great, but after a period of time it gets boring. It rained quite a bit. It did rain. It was nice. It was okay, the weather was good, but once the rain stopped, we had to get out of our rain gear. Come on, fast. We can't stand idle, we start sweating. Yeah, I just checked the temperature, it says only 28 degrees, but the humidity is what is killing us. Hey, Maga, one bolt ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಿಲ್ವಾ ಫಸ್ಟೇ ಮಡ್ಗಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ರಬ್ಬರು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ರಾಡ್ದು ಈ ಬೋಲ್ಟು ರಾಡ್ದೆ ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ one screw is missing. So new problem in Nitish's bike. Hopefully nothing further happens before we reach Chandigarh. The minute wind hits you, I like this. Nitish is behind me. Oh, there he is. Oh man. That was a bad accident. Dog. Live and let live, bro. Come on. I still haven't checked the audio of what we recorded yesterday, what is recording today. Hope everything is good. Yesterday I just transferred all the data and I totally forgot about it. I was only looking at the frame. And editing is off the book. 12-13 hours of riding, check-in, transfer data, have dinner, fall asleep. This is all. I can recollect so many memories while riding on this road now. We just stopped here randomly. I just wanted to take out another camera and look what I found. Wow. Real off-roaders. Mahindra tractor. Petrol is 106 rupees 95 paise. हाँ लॉक कर दो भाई अंदर रख के हाँ ऑफ हो गया तो निकल देना हाँ बस निकल दो हाँ ओके निकल दो कार्ड है ना निकल दो. We had lunch here. Not easy to find a good restaurant, but yeah, we had desi style. We had desi lunch at this dhaba. It was nice. We had palak, paneer and roti. That's all we had. We didn't have much. Feeling quite sleepy if you eat too much while riding. So, limited food. We won't be stopping much on this route, so there's nothing much to show you guys as well. It's just this 4-lane highway which continues all the way to Delhi. Oh yeah, the cotton fields are here. Hingan Ghat. All this that you see is cotton. It's all dry as of now. I remember picking up cotton from the road last time. I have a picture of it as well. In Painch Wildlife Sanctuary, you see that board there, Painch Jungle Safari. Stopped, had a cup of tea, had some biscuits, just a short snack break to refresh. We have another 30 kilometers to the next town, is what I've been told by the locals here. Thank you. Thank you. Yatish has gone ahead. So this is the wildlife sanctuary. All the wildlife will have a path actually from underneath this flyover to pass by, so there will be no disturbance. no mishaps happening due to wildlife crossing onto the highway and all that. Actually, nice thing. Finch Tiger Reserve, Turia. Lovely roads. It's all barricaded with sheets as well. Very nice. So the last time when I rode this way from Delhi to Bangalore, this was under construction. Here Yatish is caught up to him. I need to fuel. Yes, hello. I need to fuel. Yeah, record ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I'm vlogging. I need to stop for fuel. It's been 15 kilometers on reserve. There are a lot of villages, a lot of internal routes here connecting to this highway. See there? There is a wall. That road is also nice. Sioni is 35 kilometers. And we have another, what do you call this checkpost? Oh shit. Okay, yeah. Integrated border checkpost. We are welcome to Madhya Pradesh. So, this is Madhya Pradesh and here we are. So all the trucks will go in and come out this way. We don't have to. We can go straight. I think not only animals, even people won't come across now, no? There'll be no disturbances on the highway itself. No mishaps happening due to jaywalking by people as well. If there is anything interesting and I clicked it, you will find it on Instagram. Here's the ID on the screen, and I'll paste the link in the description below as well. Don't forget to go follow that for timely updates. Arre wow, what a curve. Come on, lean the bike. Come on, Yatish. Your saddlebag should scrape the tarmac. Oh, woo. But it's kind of bumpy because of this concrete. So that confidence isn't there to turn like that. On tarmac, yeah, I would have done it. And these rumbler strips are also there, no? So when you lean the bike, they tend to slip. Those are some nice curves. But I missed the curves in Meghalaya. That was one hell of a road to ride. That was awesome. Arey Babu, I need to fuel. I've done 30 kilometers on reserve. I have another 20 kilometers range. We have spare fuel, so that's not a problem. But yeah, I think I missed one petrol pump after we had tea. We could reach Sioni and we'll have to fuel. Wow. 4-lane road just turned into a 6-lane. Even super. And finally we found the fuel station. तमुड़ो अकड़े वेस्तावा हाँ लॉक कर दीजिए 110 rupees 95 paise da fuel, and I've emptied the tank as well. It will go to 11 liters, I think 11 and a half liters.
कर्नाटक से आए?
हाँ बैंगलोर से. बैंगलोर
किधर जा रहे हो?
लद्दाख दिल्ली श्रीनगर.
बहुत काफी दूर सफर कर रहे हो?
हाँ
नाइट में चलते हो?
नहीं बस निकल
नाइट में
दीजिए।
आराम करने का।
नाइट आराम करने का नहीं नहीं, बस हो गया काफ़ी। नाइट में नहीं चलाने का।
नाइट में चलने का भी नहीं।
हाँ हाँ 1240.42 कहाँ कार्ड वहाँ पे लगा ना। ठीक है हाँ बोलिए क्या।
दिल्ली में करने क्या है?
कुछ नहीं, घूमने जा रहा हूँ, श्रीनगर जा रहा हूँ।
ठीक है।
दिल्ली क्या है?
कहाँ से आ रहे हो?
बैंगलोर से।
बैंगलोर से क्या खा रहे हो? कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
हम अभी श्रीनगर ले।
लेह लद्दाख।
हाँ लेह लद्दाख।
ऐसे ही है।
हाँ ऐसे ही।
जो रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है आपका।
हाँ रिकॉर्ड होगा, बात करेंगे। हाँ फ़ोन पे भी कर।
एक दूसरे की बात करते
हाँ एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं।
हैं। हेलमेट में ही है भी आप।
हाँ हेलमेट पे ही माइक है, स्पीकर है, सब कुछ है।
बैंगलोर से आ जाते
हाँ बैंगलोर से, दोनों फ्रेंड्स है,
हैं। स्कूल में कॉलेज।
कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स हैं। हाँ ऐसे। आपका नाम भैया?
धीरेन चौरसिया।
ओके धीरेन। आप अभी कहाँ जा रहे हो, कहाँ से?
मैं तो एक्चुअली यहीं लोकल आया था सिडनी, मैं यहाँ से जबलपुर वापस जा रहा हूँ।
ओ जबलपुर जा रहे हो आप? ओके ओके ठीक है।
अभी आप एंजॉय।
हाँ अच्छा अच्छा
थैंक यू।
थैंक्स। ठीक है भैया। A nice person. He was in lane 2019 and there were two other people from Bangalore who had been to Leh that time. So they spent almost 2 nights in the car with these people. There were 4 of them and 2 more joined since they had some landslide or something. So we were just telling about that. We just spotted this from nowhere actually on the highway, and our bikes can be parked right in front of our door. This is fancy, dude. We just crossed Sioni and we found this place by the highway. Huge room, look at that. And what's Yatish calls the washroom as a mini football field. It's that big. We're sitting down, settling, transferring data as always. The evening YouTuber duty. You always make a mess of the room, no matter how big the room is. Things will be scattered all around the place. See, they're everywhere. But nice. And yeah, it costed us 1700. It comes with AC. It's by the highway. It's called Hotel Sri Maya. Yeah, I think it's something called Hotel Sri Maya. We've done 1200 kilometers since we started from Bangalore. We're doing 600, 650 per day. Yatish's bike will not push harder than that. So we're just maintaining that pace. We hope to maintain this pace and continue the journey. Next thing was I wanted to show you the entrance. Our bikes are parked right outside the door here. But it's dark now, so there's no point. I'll show it to you in the next vlog. So until the next one, take care, stay safe.